Hi everyone, welcome to another video from Whisker. Today we are going to download Firefox browser, the newest Firefox browser to Windows 11. We are currently on the Windows 11 and I'm going to restart NVDA by pressing NVDA Control Alt and N for November. Control Alt N.
Taskbar.
NVDA is now on. So we're going to the Mozilla website using H. Press window key and type H as in E D G E Echo Delta graphic Echo, and then press enter.
New tab personal Microsoft Edge window. App bar toolbar. Address and search bar search landmark collapse search or
Control to stop. We are currently on the Edge browser. Press Ctrl L to go to the address bar. Ctrl plus L as in 5. And then type mozilla.org. That is the developer, the organization that created Firefox browser. Press Mozilla M.
Mozilla.org selected.
For March. O
unselected.
as in Omega.
Z
Z as
unselected.
in Zebra. I
unselected.
as in India. L
unselected.
as in 5 or lemon, a double L.
A .org selected instead.
And A or
unselected.
alpha. Dot
Mozilla. Dot unselected.
Dot O as in Omega.
O unselected.
R as in Rodeo.
R unselected.
G
selection removed.
J as in Global. Press enter.
Loading page. Internet for loading complete.
Now press down arrow.
Visited link download Firefox.
That means we're still in the address bar. Press tab to go to the HTML document.
Navigation landmark list with 4 items. Firefox browsers collapse submenu link.
We are in the navigation landmark or in the Mozilla website. Press down arrow.
Collapse submenu link products.
Products, press down arrow.
Collapse submenu link who we are.
As I remember, the link to download is on the top of the page. So press Ctrl and Home. Ctrl Home to go to the top of the page. Ctrl plus Home.
Out of list visited link graphic Mozilla.
Graphic Mozilla. It's usually the logo of the website. When we visit website, press down arrow.
Visited link download Firefox.
This is the link. Download Firefox. Press enter.
Loading page. Loading page. Downloading. Downloads completed. Press Ctrl plus J to go to downloads.
Now we are in the download page. I intentionally up until now don't show my screen because I would like to show you video how to download something with only screen reader, so sighted user cannot see what's on our monitor right now. We're currently on the download page. Now we're going to press down arrow to look for what's inside this download page.
Clickable navigation landmark list with 4 items. Collapse submenu link.
This is navigation landmark, so I press down arrow several times to go outside from this navigation.
Collapse submenu.
Down.
Out of list main.
If it says collapse, that means usually it's a menu item that have that will be extended if we press enter, but I'm gonna skip the menu.
Heading level 1 almost there bang.
This is heading level 1, almost there.
Heading level 1, now run the installer that just downloaded.
So the website says that the installer just downloaded.
Complementary landmark graphic windows. If you see a prompt stating the app you tick retrying to install ISN-TIC-TA Microsoft-verified app, click left quote install anyway right quote or link change app recommendation settings.
So it says if we are prompted with the question, we should select install anyway. The NVDA that I'm currently using one core voice synthesizer, but it doesn't read the words correctly in the previous sentence, so we will go back to the previous sentence by pressing up arrow.
If you see a prompt stating the app you tick retrying to install ISN-TIC-TA
like
Microsoft,
that one, if you see the prompt saying FUT, if something's not clear, we can go per word by pressing Ctrl and right arrow, because every time we change line in the browser, it has to be in the browser, the cursor always start from the first character of the line, so we don't have to remember which character the cursor was in this line. So I'm gonna press right arrow and Control one time. U, that means the cursor is in front of character Y in YOU, in U. Now press Control and right arrow. C. Control and right arrow. A. A is a word that is A, one letter. Now press Control and right arrow. Prompt. Control plus right arrow. Stating. Control and right arrow. The. Again Control and right arrow. App. Control and right arrow. UTIC-RE. That means YOU tick or single quote RE. It usually pronounce your in plain English, but since this is a screen reader, and this is all symbol, is reading UTIC-RE. This is what we wanted, because we need the screen reader to read all symbols when we do coding. Trying to install ISN-TIC-T. I cannot miss that. I can have missed that one. So I'm gonna go word by word by pressing left arrow first, then right arrow to go by character. Left arrow, space arrow, I S N right tick T space. So it's saying isn't. It is saying isn't. Microsoft verified. Okay, so I think we already got the word that is not clear. So I'm going to press up arrow one time and then down arrow again to read this sentence. Graphic complementary landmark graphic heading level 1. Now run the install complementary landmark graphic windows. If you see a prompt stating the app you tick retrying to install ISN-TIC-TA Microsoft-verified app graphic windows. Up arrow, down arrow. If you see a prompt stating the app you tick retrying to install ISN-TIC-TA Microsoft-verified app, click. So it's not like a natural language, but after going through little character by character, we can understand what the word mean, the line mean. Graphic window. If you see a prompt stating the app you tick retrying to install ISN-TIC-TA Microsoft-verified app, click. If you seeing from the app you're trying to install isn't TikT, that means isn't Microsoft. I hope this is clear enough. What I'm trying to say is sometimes the pronunciation is not understandable. If it happens, we can go word by word by pressing Ctrl and right arrow. And then if it is still not clear, we can go character by pressing right arrow or left arrow. So every time we change line, the cursor is always at the start. And every time we change word, the character is always on the start. This is only happened in browser. Now, we go to the download, the list of the downloaded file by pressing Ctrl J as in July, Ctrl J.
Downloads document. Recent downloads list. Level 1 Firefox installer.exe, open file completed download item 1 of 1.
This is Firefox installer. I'm going to try pressing enter.
Secure desktop. User account control dialog. User account control. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Question. Firefox installer verified publisher : Mozilla Corporation file origin : hard drive on this computer. Show more details. No button. Alt, N.
So there is the dialog that appears. If you want to NVDA to read the whole dialog again, press NVDA key and B as in Bravo. B, Bravo. NVDA key, B.
User account control dialog. User account control. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Question. Firefox installer verified publisher : Mozilla Corporation file origin : hard drive on this computer. Show more details. User account control, close button. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Question.
So
Firefox installer, verified publisher : Mozilla Corporation, file origin : hard drive on this computer. Show more details link. Show more details. Yes button. Alt, Y. No button. Alt, N.
So this dialog reads that did our confirmation that Windows wants our confirmation. Do we want to install this? I'm going to press tab to go to the button OK or yes.
Show more details link.
Now press tab.
Yes button. Alt,
yes button. Now press tab. Press enter.
Firefox installer dialog. Document. Now installing ... Now installing ... 0%. Now installing ... Progress bar 0. 1%, 2%, 3%, 4%, 6%, 7%, 8%, 9%, 10%,
We're going to wait until
12%,
it is currently downloading
14%,
until 100%,
16%, 17%, 18%, 20%, 21%. Download Firefox browser. Mozilla Firefox. Mozilla Firefox. Welcome to Firefox. Welcome to Firefox. Heading level 1. Fire starts heading level 1 here. Sarai Osorio Furniture Designer, Firefox fan. Button sign in. Heading level 1. Welcome to Firefox. Button make Firefox my default browser. Button not now.
Press Ctrl. So the Firefox has been downloaded and has been installed, but we don't know what currently active right now on our monitor. Press NVDA key and T as in train or T. Press NVDA plus T.
Welcome to Firefox Mozilla Firefox.
So that reads the title of our current window, which is Welcome to Firefox and dash Mozilla Firefox. It is at the end it usually stated the name of the application. So there you go. We already installed Firefox and it's already on our desktop. I'm gonna show my screen so site user can see what's
Firefox privacy notice
on my screen right now. So here it is. I think we finished installing Firefox. Alright, we're gonna see you again on the next video. Bye bye.